Welcome to our channel. If you need to renew a U.S. passport by mail without delays, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure smooth processing. Step 1. Verify you're eligible for renewal by mail. You can renew by mail if your passport is undamaged, was issued when you were 16 or older, was issued within the last 15 years, and is in your current name, or you can document a legal name change. Step 2. Download and complete Form DS-82 U.S. Passport Renewal Application from the State Department website. Fill it out using black ink or type it, but don't sign it until Step 5. Step 3. Have a new passport photo taken that meets all requirements. Taken within the last 6 months, 2 by 2 inches, color, white or off-white background, full face forward view, neutral expression, and no glasses. Step 4. Calculate the fees based on whether you need a passport book, card, or both, and whether you want expedited service. Check the State Department website for current fees. Step 5. Sign your completed DS-82 form with black ink. Also sign your new passport photo on the back. Step 6. Prepare your package including the completed DS-82, your most recent passport, one new photo, and payment by check or money order made payable to U.S. Department of State. Step 7. Determine which address to mail your application to. There are different addresses for routine and expedited service. Use trackable mailing services to send your application. Step 8. Track your application status using the State Department's online system. Routine service takes 6 to 8 weeks. Expedited takes 2 to 3 weeks plus mailing time. Don't make international travel plans until you receive your new passport. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.